Hello everyone, welcome to Wayne and Ashley's Small World. Today we are going to be making churro brownies. Actually, they're called Blondies because of the way they're made. But the churro flavor, the cinnamon, it's going to be amazing. What you'll need in this recipe is 1 stick of unsalted butter, melted and cooled, 1.5 cups of brown sugar, 2 large eggs that are beaten, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour we already have in the mixer, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of orange zest, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, and then for sprinkling on top of the brownies is sea salt. First, you'll want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees and then grease a baking pan about the size of 9 inches squared. I have a 7 by 11 here, which will be just fine. Once your melted butter is cooled, add that to your bowl. Then add your brown sugar. Then add your 2 large beaten eggs. And then add in your vanilla extract. Just give these a light mix till they're all mixed together good. Then in your mixing bowl, you will have your flour, add in your baking powder, add in your salt, and then add in your orange zest. Then you will want to add in your liquid ingredients inside the dried ingredients, and then mix. You can either use a mixer, or you can mix this by hand, but make sure if you're doing it by hand, do it very well. The batter should not be runny or soupy. Okay, our batter looks to be really mixed well, nice and thick, as you can see. And there you have it. That's our batter. We want to take our pan that we have that's lightly greased, and you're going to want to add this into the pan. And it's quite thick, so it's going to be hard to work with, as you can see. It's really thick batter. Alright, then once you have all your batter inside your pan, just going to spread that out evenly. Once you have that spread evenly all the way around, looks pretty good. Then you're going to want to mix together your cinnamon and your sugar. Mix this together pretty good. Then what you want to do with your sugar is you want to take this and just spoon it evenly over your batter. And then you're going to want to put these in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And there it is, it's out of the oven. It's very, very hot. I ended up putting it in for 25 minutes. And then you're going to take some sea salt. You're just going to kind of sprinkle that on the top. And there we go. And then you're going to want to let this cool down for at least 20 minutes before cutting and serving. All right, they're all cooled. Bottom is still hot to touch, but they have been sitting for 40 minutes. So I'm going to cut these, and we'll see how nice they are. Man, these look so good. And here you have it. The Churro Brownies, aka Blondies. Let's give these a try. Plenty of cinnamon sugar flavor. Absolutely delicious. Very ooey gooey, chewy center. Wow. Yeah. Absolutely delicious. You have to try these. I really hope you try them, and I hope you like them too. Please leave a comment or questions below. We'll respond to you right away. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.